I was gonna play a game called Would You Rather. If any of you watch Markiplier, that would be that game. It looks fun and whatever, but I couldn't get it to work. Like, I could do one question and then it would immediately cut out and not work. So I'm playing this one. Okay. You can travel to the past and destroy Hitler before the Holocaust, but you would be stuck in the past for the rest of your life. No. I would not be able to play online with all you guys. I wouldn't be able to make YouTube videos. That would be horrible. Okay, let's see. You will find the love of your life, but you will live your life incredibly fat. I don't know. I'll press it. You get 72 virgins, but you must fuck camel. What? What? I don't even understand this question. Sorry about that. This is supposed to be family friendly. Every once in a while there be something, but I don't understand that question. You have the ability to build anything, anytime, anywhere, but you lack the materials needed and you always have to find or buy them in order to build what you want. Well, technically you can do this already, but you would have to actually buy the property and buy the materials. But why would I want to build anything? I would just buy something that's already built, so I won't. 1 second. Sorry. You'll have your dream job you always wanted, but every time you notice an attractive person, you'll start screaming. Well, technically this is a job, so technically I already do. So I like being a YouTuber. It's quite fun. I might not be famous yet, but why do I care? I just want to do YouTube. You become the most intelligent person alive, but your opinions or thoughts will always be discarded if it will help society. I don't think I want to become the most intelligent. No, thank you. You get a time machine, but using it for any reason will set off a chain reaction of events that will ultimately kill you. No, thank you. But the other reason I want to do this is so you guys can learn more about me or see my dark side if you ever seen Markiplier's thing. You get $1 trillion. You never lose access to it and can use it whenever you desire. You dropped it in 20 years though. Oh no. That wouldn't be bad. I'm not that old. Let's see. In 10 years I would be 21. I would die when I'm 32 or 31. That doesn't sound very bad. Half-Life 3 is released with a great storyline, but the gameplay is awful. Oh, when I first read this, I thought it would be like the one Markiplier got. But this would be different every time, I would suppose. Well, I'm not a big Half-Life fan, so I don't care. So I will not. Perfect hair no matter what, but you have dandruff. Huh? I guess I'll do that. It doesn't bother me that much. You can fly, but you have to dress like Peter Pan forever. Not that bad. I would love to fly. You get your dream job, but you get fired after 5 years and will never be able to be hired by anyone ever again. As I said, I already have my dream job, but I can't get fired. So I don't. can't get fired. You can bring back any one actor from the dead, but they cannot be in any more movies. I don't have a favorite actor, so no thank you. You gain your superpower of choice. You live as the opposite gender for the rest of your life. I'll do that. I don't really care if I'm either sex. Facebook disappears, but my space gets reviewed. MySpace. What's MySpace? I don't know what MySpace is. So I will not. Plus, I would like to have Facebook still. What is MySpace? You get your Hogwarts application letter, but you will have to give up all electronics forever. No! I wouldn't be able to make videos anymore. That would be horrible. And I don't even like Hollyworks. I don't even like Harry Potter. So you get your favorite food for free, but it's all you can eat the rest of your life. I don't know. That would be fine with me. I love snow cones. They're my favorite. Oh wait. I would die very fast though. Oh well. You and your closest friend each get a superpower of your choice. Your friend chooses theirs. But your friend becomes your enemy, and you design to fight forever. Well, that's fine with me. That doesn't seem very bad. Darn it, Lodi. EA will begin making better games that everyone enjoys, but they will not remake or continue any previous games they have published or made. What? Oh, no. No, thank you. Most games I play are EA anyway. You get to have the most beautiful woman in the world. No, thank you. I'm not gonna finish that because I am not a lesbian. So that's not a good thing at all. You gain super strength and indestructible bones, but if you jump at all, your bones will explode. Okay. I don't normally even jump, so that's fine with me. You go to a superhero school, and you are one of the only people wear